Let's tackle those frustrating Boost Mobile billing errors, specifically payment failed and card issue messages. These usually pop up due to a few common reasons related to how Boost handles prepaid payments. First, always double check your card details directly in the Boost mobile app or website. Make sure your card isn't expired and the CVV is correct. It sounds simple, but it's the most frequent cause. Next, confirm you have sufficient funds available. Prepaid services need that upfront balance. Now, Boost uses payment gateways like Visa and MasterCard, so sometimes the issue is on their end. If your bank suspects a fraudulent transaction, they might block it. To check for potential service outages that are affecting payment processing, go to the Boost Mobile status page. Also, give your app a refresh by clearing the cache or updating it. Sometimes a simple glitch is the culprit. If none of this works, try switching to a different device to see if the problem is app-specific. As a last resort, you can try to contact Boost Mobile's customer support, but expect a longer wait time. Actively addressing potential problems right away can solve 80% of reported problems. If basic steps didn't resolve your payment issues, let's try advanced troubleshooting. First, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, as Boost Mobile uses security protocols to protect your card data and prevent unauthorized charges. If you encounter specific error codes, such as error 1001 for card declines or error 2005 for network issues, search Boost's help resources for targeted solutions. Always verify your card details first. A major trend is AI-assisted billing support. Boost's chatbots now handle 70% of payment queries autonomously, reducing resolution times from days to minutes. This is a big step forward, though it's still evolving. Looking ahead, mobile payment apps will use biometric verification, like fingerprints for security. Boost might integrate with digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay for seamless payments. Experts predict blockchain-based transactions to further reduce fraud. A Reddit user shared how they fixed a payment-failed loop by updating their card details in the app and rebooting their phone. This highlights the effectiveness of basic troubleshooting steps. Overall, stay vigilant by using secure payment methods and keep your Boost app updated to minimize billing headaches. These steps will help ensure smoother payments in the future.